So a lot of people ask me, now that I've gone from 33-inch tires to 37-inch tires, when am I going to re-gear? Welcome to Gendel Overland. I'm Johnny, and you got it. Today's video is about re-gearing my Jeep. Right now I've got the original 409s in there, and the original covers. And tomorrow morning I'm taking it to Rock Spider 4x4 in Markham, Ontario, where I'm going to get some 513s put in. Plus I'm going to put on the ARB diff covers. Let's talk about performance. Right now I'm averaging 19.7 liters per 100 kilometers. That is a lot of gas. Now I'm not doing this for mileage. I'm doing this because I've got the bigger tires and I've got a lot of weight on the back of this Jeep. So I'm going to have to compensate for that. And how I'm going to do that is with bigger gears. I am told that with these bigger gears that I will get better gas mileage. So let's go fill up the tank and we'll find out exactly how much better that it's going to be at. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zero that out. And now we're at a range of 20.4, 20.8. And tomorrow morning, before I leave for Markham, I'm going to zero it out one more time and let you see that. We're leaving at 5:30 a.m. because we've got to be there for 8 o'clock. And they're going to have it for a couple of days, and then I'm going to pick it up, and it's going to be a whole new Jeep. So I just reset the gas meter and we're just leaving from Markham right now. So we're just passing Kitchener, which is 100 kilometers outside of my city. And now I can get an accurate reading on my gas mileage. Right now, I'm at 16.8 per 100 kilometers. Now, this is opposite of the way that miles per gallon works because you want a lower number, not a higher number. In the city, I'm using 19 liters per 100 kilometers. But on the highway, I'm using 16.8 liters per 100 kilometers. Which isn't bad, but we're going to find out right now if this is going to make it any better or not.
Exit the highway at exit 90.
So I'm almost at Rock Spider and I noticed this on the navigation screen. Gladiator Road. How fitting is that? I just had to stop and get a picture with it. So my truck is done and I'm just about to hop into the Jeep with Mark and head to Markham to pick it up.
I kind of want to get the eco diesel.
Oh, there's my Jeep. Oh yeah, look at those diff covers from here, buddy.
Oh yeah, looks awesome. I'll do a TikTok video. Not a TikTok.
Look at those two together. Don't they look nice? Okay, so this is the initial ride. I'm just gonna go get some gas. And then we're gonna head over to Red Bear so I can pick up a couple of things. What I'm going to have to do now is break in the gears on the way home. To do this, I need to drive for 30 minutes at 60 kilometers an hour and pull over so that the gears can cool down to the touch of a hand. Once it's cooled down, I'm going to have to redo the whole process all over again. I haven't made it very far, but I gotta stop for another cool down session. Hopefully I can make it to Red Bear Outdoors before they close at 5 p.m. So I'm on my way home, and I mean 8th gear, going 100 clicks at 2,000 RPM right now. Usually I would be at 3,500 RPM. So that's a bonus. Now, I'm just getting onto the highway now, and I'm still in the break-in period, so I will be not going more than 100. And I'll be stopping every 30 minutes for 30 minutes. It's almost like a blessing in disguise as the traffic has come to a standstill. Just outside of Mississauga on the 401. So I'm down to 15.1 liters per 100 kilometers now. I do gotta take my 30-minute break, and I'm just at a Woodstock, so I'm gonna go over to my friend's Tim Hortons store, and I'm just gonna chill out there for 30 minutes before I hit the road again and finish this trip on the way home. So the only way to really know exactly how much I've gained for gas mileage is to do the exact same route from London to Markham. I'm not going to do that in this week's video to show the comparison, but I will do it in an upcoming video. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to call that a wrap for this week. Leave your comments below to let me know what you think and if you saw a difference in the 513s. See you guys again next week. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.